I started growing this wheat in November, and it's now April. It survived a very hard winter. This is it's known as Pharaoh's wheat. It's the original wheat. It's a very old variety of wheat, and it will grow pretty much anywhere. It's pretty easy to grow. Doesn't yield as much as your modern varieties, but it's pure, it's unaltered, and it doesn't seem to affect people with gluten issues or wheat allergies. So I'm trying it out, and when we go through the whole process, I will show you how we harvest it, how we turn it into bread flour, how we will save seed and plant again. So I'm going to try to take you through the entire process of growing your own wheat, making your own flour, and making your own bread, the original bread from the original unaltered wheat. And we'll see how it works. All right, so I'm just going to throw my seed out and just lightly rake over, and that's mostly kind of just to hide it from the birds a little bit. He's so frustrated that he cannot catch these things. The wheat's starting to bear. You can see they're very big, healthy grains. And of course now you can start to see the difference between the wheat and the tares. Before they all looked the same, but now that their wheat's beginning to put on fruit, you can definitely tell the difference. You can really tell the difference when the wind blows through it, because they react very differently to the wind. The weight of the fruit on the wheat causes it to bow. The tares don't bow. They might be slightly moved by the wind, but they don't bow. The wheat bows. Alright, the wheat is ready for harvest. Now you can definitely tell the difference between the wheat and the tares. The wheat is golden and dried and dead, and the tares are still standing tall. They're green, so it'll be easy to separate now. It's a small patch, so I'm going to use a little handheld scythe to collect it and put it in my wagon, and then we'll have to thresh it. Oh no, it's coming this way. Why did it change directions? Did you do that?